Do you know what exactly this is? This is arsenic album 30. It said it can prevent COVID-19. Really? So internet says, or rather Google brings up the sites which doesn't clearly say that arsenic album 30 is a preventive medicine for COVID-19. It says like this medicine has been distributed across the country or in different parts of the world too. But it's not clearly saying it's a preventive medicine for COVID-19. It also says it doesn't have any scientific studies to it. Honestly, a couple of days back, there were a lot of negative reviews and most of them doesn't recommend taking this medicine. So we thought we'll do our part to find out the truth behind this. Let's go into the basics. Arsenic album 30 is a homeopathic medicine. So let's try to understand what exactly homeopathy is all about. And the Wikipedia says the homeopathy is a pseudo-scientific studies of an alternative medicine. The pseudo-scientific. And do you know what exactly the pseudo-scientific means? Pseudo-scientific means it's a system based on belief and the treatment is not scientifically proven. And in WebMD, it says the homeopathy is a system where you believe that the body can cure itself. So definitely you won't get a kind of a positive or a supportive documents from any of the relevant websites. The reason why we want to make a video on this is based out of a true incident which happened in Pantalam, a municipal town in Adu Taluk in Kerala. The story goes like this. T.K. Sati, the municipal chairperson of Pantalam, had written an open letter to DMO, Homeo DMO of Pantalam, Dr. Biju, who also happened to be a film director. The letter says this: there were 2 COVID cases, positive cases reported in that area, and they had identified around 107 people as the primary contact of these 2 COVID people. And for this 107 primary contact people, they had given this preventive medicine, the arsenic album 30. And after 1 week, they had tested all these 107 people and all of them became negative. Ideally, at least 1 or 2% should become positive because they are the primary contacts. But none of them become positive. So they took another initiative and distributed this medicine across nearly say by 2000 people around that area, and all of these people turned to be negative. None of them got infected with COVID. So that's the reason, that's the story which makes us think about this. Even though this incident happened, government, the other doctors and doctor associations are not ready to accept it. I think it's because of the pseudo-scientific. That might be the reason. So let's think in a slightly different perspective. Let's keep the doctors, the associations, pseudo-scientific, all these things aside, and let's try thinking as a common man. Just like a common man. Most of the cases, a common man takes the medicine just because it's prescribed by a doctor. He believes in him. The trust to the doctor. That's the reason why he takes a medicine. He doesn't know any kind of studies. He doesn't know the medical science. He is purely believing in a doctor who is giving the medicine. And if the medicine is cured, he definitely gets back to that same doctor. Let's imagine like if we are undergoing a surgery. We never know what will be the right procedure the doctor going to do. We are completely believing in the doctor, 100% trust, and finally after the surgery we are eagerly waiting to get it cured. It's the same case with any diseases, right? And in India, the homeopathy has been approved by the central government under the Ayush Ministry. If you can look into the Ayush website, you can get the details. Ayush means Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, right? So homeopathy has been approved in India by the central government of India. It has been approved under the Ayush Ministry. So from a common man's perspective, there is no reason to undoubt a medical system which has been approved by the government. We can definitely believe it when the government is approved, right? But let's not get into assumptions with our own research. Let's find out the truth from somebody who is really practicing this. We can ask to someone who can give us an authoritative answer for most of our questions. We have a doctor who was the head of the department of Trivandrum Homeo Medical College. Let's ask him some of the questions. WHO had clearly said there is no vaccine for COVID. The only recommendations or the only preventions which they recommend is wearing a mask, washing your hands and social distancing. But homeopathy recommends arsenic album 30 as a preventive medicine. Why?
The first case of COVID-19 was reported in December 2019 and it started spreading throughout the world in January, February. Then WHO said that there is no antiviral treatment for COVID and there is no vaccination for COVID and the only method is the symptomatic treatment. Homeopathy is the second most popular system in the world based on symptomatology and arsenic album is the remedy which is being used for the last 200 years for flu. One of the remedies used for flu. And when it started spreading to India, Government of India, in consultation with the Central Council for Research in Homeopathy, declared that arsenic album 30C is the preventive for COVID.
Okay, so it has been approved by the government of India. So the next question, how can a normal person get this medicine? Definitely it's not available in the common medical stores or the pharmacies. So how can a person get this medicine?
Arsenic album 30C is available with all the homeopathic pharmacies around the world, homeopathic doctors, and also through Amazon. Those people who are taking this preventive should follow the general measures used to prevent COVID, like washing the hands, covering the face with the mask, avoiding contact with the patients, social distancing, and avoid going to the hospitals.
Oh, okay, so it's available in Amazon. True, we do have checked it. But if somebody had purchased it from Amazon or from any of the stores, what's the dosage? How should he take this medicine? What's the dosage of taking this medicine?
The advice given by the Central Homeopathic Council for Research is 4 pills for 3 days in empty stomach in the morning. Then repeat it every 15 days. And for children, the dose advised is 2 pills. But if you are getting it in drops or in liquid form, take 1 drop for 3 days, then repeat after 15 days. Then it is better to avoid tea and coffee during this course of the treatment. And one has to continue this preventive until this pandemic is finished.
Oh, okay, got it. But there is a widely spread news about this particular medicine, arsenic album 30, contains poison. It has a lot of side effects. And also one more question, how if a person who is taking other medicines, for example, the people like diabetics, cholesterol who are taking the other medicines, can they take this medicine? If so, What's the dosage? How should they take it?
Many people are skeptic about whether it is a poison or not. Many poisons, including snake poisons, are used as medicines in all the systems of medicine. Here, arsenic alb is diluted, 1 milligram of arsenic alb is diluted 30,000 times before administration of this medicine. So it is totally non-poisonous and no side effects also. People who are taking other medicines can take their usual medicines 1 hour after taking arsenic album 30C. And this preventive should be continued every 15 days until this pandemic is over. This medicine, arsenic album 30, is being used for symptoms of flu for the last 200 years and no side effects are detected so far.
One more thing, why arsenic album 30 if this medicine is 200 years old? Because the COVID came recently. So why should somebody take an arsenic album 30 which is like 200 years old?
In COVID also, there are symptoms like flu, and for these symptoms, in any condition, you can use arsenic album.
So let's conclude. WHO says COVID doesn't have a vaccine as of now. The COVID vaccine most probably, as per WHO, will come out only by December. Maybe some claims are the vaccine might come earlier. But even though if the COVID vaccines come earlier, we are not 100% sure how it's going to work. How long will it be the vaccine can protect us? No idea about it. Keep the fingers crossed. Let's hope for the best. So now what we have? We have masks. We have washing our hands. We can have the social distancing. These are the only preventive methods which has been recommended by WHO. Nothing else. At the same time, there is a medicine from an alternative medicine, the so-called pseudoscience, which says you can prevent COVID with arsenic album 30. Give a try. I don't think it's going to kill you. It's your choice. When death is in front of you in the form of COVID-19 and there is no other alternative, try out all the best or all the methods which you can save your life. Thank you.